Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to make a ladder cuff, but with this fun design, and you're going to need scissors, lighter, pony beads, and I have, you should kind of use a little thicker string. I think this is 2mm. You don't have to, but it will just stay together a little bit better, like hold its shape. I know there is a straw method, but I don't use that. I think some people do. You're going to start with both of your ends. I have my string folded in half here, so this is the middle. And this is the pattern we're going to use and repeat until we get the length that we want. So if you want to stop the video and get your beads out to make a guide, this is the pattern. And I'm going to use this row to start with. So you add a blue, purple, pink, purple, and blue. We're going to put our ends together and let these beads go to the center. That's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to separate. Well, everything just got messed up. I'll show you how to recenter that. So it kind of happens because this is a lot of string here. The more string you have, it's kind of hard to get it centered until you get the second row anyway. So our second row, purple, pink, orange, pink, and then purple. You're going to lay that down, and then we're going to grab our other piece of string here and cross through all 5 of these beads. Okay, now we can try to recenter this. We're going to put our ends together and put your fingers through these beads and pull down. And if it starts getting uneven, sometimes what I do is, so I'm holding these are, the string's still even, so I'll grab closer to where my fingers are and pull this down. And then kind of just keep following with the string. Just until you get it started. And this thicker string is a little trickier than the thinner one to get it even. So I'm just bringing my hands down. And it doesn't have to be exact, but you want it to be pretty close. Alright, that looks pretty good. So we have our first 2 rows. Alright, we'll work on the next one. And that's pink, orange, yellow, orange, and pink. You're going to take your other side and go across. Now we're going to pull the ends down. And if you see, this is holding its shape pretty well. If you use a thinner string, it might bunch up a little bit on you. So just keep that in mind. You can still do it with a thinner string, but it might not hold its shape as well. Okay, the next row, we're going to do orange, yellow, green, yellow, and orange. Okay, we're going to take this side and go across. It's a little hard to see black on black here. There we go. Now you're going to grab your ends and pull it down. Okay, our next row, yellow, green, blue, green, and yellow. Take our other side and cross over. Okay, we're going to grab our ends. And you might have to go back through and tighten it a little bit if it feels loose. Our last row, until we start the pattern over again, green, blue, purple, blue, and green. Take our string and cross through. And grab our ends and pull. And this is what it looks like so far. Now this is the same exact thing right here. And we're going to repeat this pattern over and over until you get the length that you need. So we started with this row here. That will go here. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how to tie it off and what it looks like. Okay guys, I ended up doing the pattern 4 times, and this is what it looks like. Now if yours is too loose, you're going to go back through. You can pull these rows and then pull them down to tighten them if they need it. And I went ahead and put a needle on because this will make this a little bit easier. You don't have to, of course. But we're going to take one side of the string and go through the other end of the bracelet here. And then pull this tight and you can make a knot. Okay, and that's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.